Good morning. I'd like to thank you all for joining us today for this coin launch. The Mint, I guess, has a real role as an institution in working with the people of Australia to tell the stories of Australia. We look to celebrate significant anniversaries, significant organisations and significant events. And I think it's quite appropriate that we have partnered with another significant institution, the Royal Australian Air Force, in bringing you not only this coin release, but the activities across this centenary year.
The Centenary of Air Force is a significant moment for us and for Australia because it allows us to look back on 100 years of history, remember the 350,000 people, men and women that have served over that time, but also importantly the 11,100 men and women that have died in the service. And so for us, our centenary is a time for us to remember their service and remember what we've delivered to the nation, but importantly what we continue to deliver now and also what we will continue to deliver in air and space power for the nation going forward.
I'm Robin Clay-Williams. I was a test pilot in the Royal Australian Air Force and I test flew this wonderful aircraft behind us, the C-130J. The role of a test pilot is to test an aircraft before the Air Force buys it to make sure that it would do the job that we want it to do. I've had a long history with the Hercules. Actually, when I was an engineer in the Air Force before I became a pilot, back in the early 1980s, I was an engineer working on the C-130. And I worked with the C-130E and the C-130H, which you have here on this wonderful coin. I wouldn't say I'm a coin collector now, but I definitely used to collect coins when I was a kid. And seeing how amazing these are, I might just have to start again. Yeah.
The Royal Australian Air Force would like to thank the Royal Australian Mint and Lee, your team have done an outstanding job, and you should all be very proud of the product that you provided us for honouring and encapsulating our rich history in these commemorative collections. It provides us with a small but very powerful reminder of our last 100 years, then, now and always, as Air Force forges into our second century.